Hello po, Miss Kitty Kate. So, for our first question po, how do you feel about being a volunteer in Hoy Maharlika?
Hello, hi. It's an honor to be involved in this prestigious organization. Thank you.
Okay po, for our second question, we'd love to know po, what motivated you to join Hoy Maharlika?
I just feel proud to be part of this organization.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you.
Okay po. And for our last question po, what is your vision of creating a chapter in Hoy Maharlika Naga?
Naga, to highlight the importance in building a strong Hoy Maharlika in Naga. Thank you.
Thank you po.